Imagine this. A spacious conference room adorned with elegant decor. High-ranking executives and professionals in suits fill the room, engaged in conversations and networking. And then you walk in. Picture yourself entering a room, shoulders back, head held high. You exude confidence with every step you take, exuding an air of dominance. You walk with purpose. Your gaze is fixed on the crowd. You start engaging in the conversation. Your presence grows more dominant. You seamlessly share your knowledge and expertise, captivating the group with your insights. As the conversation continues, other groups in the room take notice of your commanding presence. Curiosity spreads, and people begin gravitating towards you, eager to engage in discussions and gain insights from this dominant figure. The room buzzes with activity, with you at the center, surrounded by a growing circle of individuals. You effortlessly lead the conversations, captivates the crowd, and garners respect with each word you speak. Your dominant presence has shifted the dynamics of the room, as people eagerly seek your guidance and approval. Your charisma and expertise have made you a figure of influence, commanding the attention and respect of those around you. You see, it all starts with believing in yourself and owning your space. Embody the confident version of yourself, and watch as others are naturally drawn to your powerful aura. Whether you're at a business meeting, social gathering, or even a casual conversation, having a dominant presence can greatly influence how others perceive you. Your impression should be strong enough that people often talk about you even in your absence, and feel your absence when you are not around. All this comes with first to gain more knowledge in the subject you like to most and boost your confidence level. It is said that a person with a dominant personality type is assertive, courageous, proactive, and self-reliant. They are focused and goal-oriented as well. These individuals carry themselves in a manner that is socially impressive and emanates positive vibes to others. Let's dive in and learn the art of commanding attention and respect. Here are 6 key strategies to help you build dominance in any room. Number 1, body language and posture. The first and most important step to building dominance is through body language and posture. Your body communicates volumes before you even speak a word. Stand tall, maintain an open and confident posture, and occupy space. Take measured steps, keep your head up, and make eye contact. This projects confidence and commands attention from others. Number 2, overcome your fears. One of the biggest things keeping you submissive in your own life is fear. We all have fears, even the most confident among us. The key to dominance is to let go of those things that you fear most. Approach every situation not by thinking of the worst that can happen, but the greatest outcome that can come from success. All too often, we talk ourselves out of taking charge, entering into new situations, or getting ahead of the pack by allowing fear to rule us. Let go of your fears and you will find that dominance. Number 3, art of communication. Speak clearly and assertively, so that your voice carries across the room. Maintain a steady pace and vary your tone to captivate your audience. Remember, a strong voice instills confidence and authority. Building dominance is not just about asserting yourself. It also involves actively listening and engaging with others. Show genuine interest in what others have to say, ask thoughtful questions, and maintain eye contact. This not only demonstrates your confidence but also earns respect from those around you. There is a saying that goes around, those who give less and take more are more powerful. And that applies in communication as well. People who have lots of social power use fewer words and more nonverbal gestures. Number 4. Knowledge and expertise. Another essential aspect of building dominance is having a solid foundation of knowledge and expertise in your field. Stay informed, continuously learn, and be prepared to share your insights. When you demonstrate expertise, others naturally look to you as a leader, enhancing your dominance in the room. Number 5. Assertiveness and boundaries. To build dominance, it's crucial to be assertive and establish clear boundaries. Respectfully express your opinions and ideas, even if they differ from others. Learn to say no when necessary and stand up for yourself and your values. This reinforces your position and earns the respect of those around you. Number 6. Confidence and self-assurance. Confidence and self-assurance are the keys to building dominance. Self-doubt will keep you in a submissive role in your life eternally. Being dominant is about having others follow you and being the leader. That comes from convincing those around you that you are worthy of following. Believe in yourself and your abilities. If you don't believe in yourself, then it becomes problematic to have others follow in your footsteps. Embrace your strengths and be willing to take calculated risks. When you radiate confidence, others naturally gravitate towards you, further solidifying your presence in the room. Remember, building dominance is not about overpowering others but about commanding respect and influence through your presence. Practice these techniques consistently, and over time, you'll notice a significant improvement in how others perceive you.